Hey guys, in this Delfast how-to video, we're introducing the cordless cleaning kit in conjunction with the Delfast Cordless bed and stapler. So first of all, we need to open up the container. Instruction manual, Delfast tool cleaner, lubricant, cleaning cloth, set of gloves, and a ring spinner. Okay, next, make sure that there is no fasteners inside and no battery and no fuel cell. Gloves and safety glasses. I'm going to take off this cap using my ring spinner. We're going to use the air hose and clean out the filter. Take off these bolts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, with the Allen key provided inside the cordless case. Remove top cover. Step 7, remove fan wiring. Press on top, wait, off it comes. Do not grab the red wire, grab it on top. Make sure they're out of the way. Step 9, remove fan unit. Step 10, remove O-ring. So I'm just going to pinch it and bring it up like so. And that can come off. Step 11 is clean the O-ring. Just going to put it on there and just feed it through. We're going to spray clean off around the fan. Getting everything around, all of the nooks and crannies, all that dirt and grime out. Now when we come around to the front, we're just going to squirt it on the cloth and then apply it to the fan, around to the back, front side. Using a long screwdriver just to push down the piston all the way down to the bottom. We're going to apply the Delfast cleaning spray. Some may leak out down the bottom here, but it'll all dry up later. We're going to start wiping in around here, around the plastic outer casing, cleaning off all dirt, grime, getting right inside there, all the way into the cylinder. Now we're going to use the air gun to blow out all the nooks and crannies, also the fan unit. Making sure when you're blowing in the fan unit that you're clearing out all around the spark plug so it can generate spark. Reassemble the O-ring back into the fan unit, back over the top of the fan, just following my finger around. You're going to have to use snips or scissors to cut off the top for the lubricant oil. Lubricate around O-ring, as you can see, a couple of little drops, and now I'm just going to run my finger around that nice lubricated O-ring. I'm going to drop a few drops down the main cylinder. Now we're going to start reassembling fan unit. Be mindful of wires. First of all, we do the spark plug. Now that goes on and runs along this channel. Clips on, and likewise with the fan unit. making sure they're all running sweetly. Now we're gonna put on the cap and out of our container. We're gonna put the filter back on. Should just pop in like so. You guys have just watched the how-to video with the new Delfast cleaning kits. Hope you enjoyed it, and you'd want to be doing that every 10 boxes of staples to get the best life out of your tool.